Look at Daddy. What do you say after you get a diaper on? What do you say after you get a diaper on? What do we say? All done. All done. Sam, all done. Up.
Here, put her down real fast. Yeah.
Say it again. Sam, all done. Say it. Say, Mommy, I'm all done. All done. All done.
Leah, what are you? Tell Mommy.
Tell Mommy. Go tell Mommy.
Come here.
Go tell Mommy what you are. Go tell Mommy. Say,
are you all done?
Say, all done. Go tell
Leah, look at Mommy.
Tell Mommy. Come over here. Leah,
she's
come over
funny.
Here. Bring Daddy's hair. Come on. Say, all done. Say, all done.
All done.
Say, I'm all done. Say
she
it.
wants to have it on.
Say, I'm all done. All done. Say bye-bye.
Are you up?
Say bye-bye.
Say up. Say up.
Up. Up.
All done.
All done.
Big girl.
Thumbs up. Hit the rock. High five. Yeah.